Here we come to the elevator at the College main garage in College Station, Texas. Still remember this elevator. Let's sample that again. I love that chime. What's that beeping noise in the background? Nice. 4. And it chimed again. Cool. Interesting how the bulbs are partially lit, but if you press the button, it brightens up. Epic. A chime again, nice. Wait for it to die down, and we'll close the door and head down. I just had to get another video of this elevator. The chime is just, I absolutely love this chime. I absolutely love the mechanical chime. It just sounds so beautiful. All right, and that's it.